Well, hi there pluckers, Silver Salt Fingers again with you. Thanks indeed for joining me this time for a bit of a help lesson for one of my viewers. My viewers written in asking for some help stroke lesson on a song called Bad Days by a band called the Bigsbys. Now, unfortunately I can't find any words online for this song, so I can't perform the song, so I'm just going to show you the chords in the song and how they go together. It's not overly complicated, okay. I'm in standard tuning, no capos, and I'm doing it in the same key that the Bigsbys recorded the song in. I would recommend anybody to go and have a listen, to get out the YouTube video of the Bigsbys playing Bad Days. It's well worth a listen. There's some very nice lead guitar work on the record. Okay. Now then, so let's get to it. Definitely no singing on this one, for once. So the chords are the main verse, the intro, and the main verses of the song are this, okay? That's all that's in the song. There's obviously more of it, but that's basically all the chords that are in the song. Okay. Now, so I'll break it down for you. The main gist of the song is three chords. That's the E, a form of E major seventh, and an F sharp minor seventh, or form of. Okay. So these obviously fairly straightforward. So it's 4 beats on the E, so it's... Then we go to E major 7th, and the way I'm playing it is third string, first finger, third string, the G string, 4th fret. The other two, my third finger and my pinky, are playing the 6th fret of the A string and the D string, the 5th and 4th strings. This first top E string and the B string, the second string, and the bottom E string are all open, and you string all 6 strings, okay? Should sound like that. It's in the form of E major 7th, okay? So 4 beats on the E, 4 beats on E major 7th, and then we're going to take this whole shape exactly as it is down 2 frets. So the first finger is now playing the 2nd fret of the G string, and third finger and pinky are playing the 4th fret of the 5th string and the 4th string. All the other 3 strings are open, the bottom E string, the 2nd string and the top E string. Should sound like that. That's a form of F sharp minor 7th. Okay, so, and that's twice as long, that's 8 beats on that chord. So 4 beats on the E, 4 beats on the E major 7th, and 8 beats on the F sharp minor 7th. Okay, so. After it goes through the verse, it goes into this chorus section, call it what you like calling round the bend bit, and basically it goes back to the E for 2 beats, 1, 2, then it's an E 7th, So basically just lift off the third finger, so you leave the fourth string open, and then you go, so it's 1, 2, E seventh, 1, 2, 2, and then 4 sort of beats on A. Okay, then we repeat this sequence 3 times. Okay, so it's the third time we go to the F sharp minor 7th, which we're playing in the verse for 4 beats, and then I like to go up to, it's a B chord, I'm on the 7th fret, bar chord, major shape, 7th fret, or you could play the B down here, barring the 2nd fret and barring the 4th, 3rd and 2nd strings on the 4th fret, but I think they sort of slide up to the B, I think, on the record. So it's from here to, so where is that? It's 1, 2, 3, sort of thing. So you can hear a sort of slide going up slightly there. So I prefer that sound, I think, but you can just play the B there if you like. It's up to you. Okay, so I'll just do a couple of the normal versey ones, then we'll do the chorusy bit, and then we'll end up on the B, bit of a pause, and then we go back to playing the E major 7th and F sharp minor 7th again, in readiness for another verse. Okay, so right, here comes the chorus a bit. Sharp minor 7th. There you have it. That's all the parts that are in the song. Later on in the song they keep the chorus going on for quite a while. It's not just 3 times, it does it quite a few more times, but if you listen to the track you'll hear the arrangement, but that's all it is that they just play it more than 3 times, they just keep it going around for about probably 8 times or something like that. Okay, so that's it. I can't tell you any more about the song. That's just purely everything on the rhythm side that's in it. So thanks very much for listening. I'll see you again in the next video. Bye for now.